Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you all controls for your headphones Baseus Bowie H1. And the controls we have at the left and right ear cup. At the left ear cup we have ANC button. With this button we can enter to bring mode by press and hold at the button, or swap between ambient sound control. So let me open the application and I will show it to you. Right here we have normal mode, transparency mode and ANC. So you just press one time and you will swap between them. Now I use transparency, I press again and I have ANC, and from ANC I return to the normal mode. Next we have controls at the right ear cup, and the first one is volume down button. No, let's get started with volume up. So I just play a song, you just press one time and you will increase the volume. As you can see at this widget, I just increase it. If you press and hold at the volume up button, you will play next track. So press and hold, here we go. Now volume down button, you also press one time at this button and you will lower the volume. As you can see at this widget, I just lower it. And if you press and hold the volume down button, you will play previous track. And again, here we go. Now right here we have multifunctional button between volume control buttons, and if you press one time you will play or pause the song. I just pause it, press, and I play a song. Or by default with a triple press you can call voice assistant 1, 2, 3. And as you can see I have iOS, so I call a Siri and it awake. If you have Android you will call Google Assistant or maybe Gemini. And also we can set double press or change triple press. Also in the application, right here we have gesture settings. You tap on them and right here you can change triple press to swap between ambient sound control modes, or you can set it for the double press, but for the double press you can also set to call voice assistant. And you just tap at this line and then you can use double press for it. And that's it. Oh no, you can also answer the call by pressing one time at the multifunctional button, and then you can finish the call by also pressing one time at the multifunctional button, and you can reject a call by pressing hold at the multifunctional button. And now that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!